transmission.
Thank you. What a little hurricane. Live from the local 94.9. We're happy to be here this Sunday
Coming
night.
at your radio waves.
From the Black Box Studios. We are San Diego's Best New Artist. We are very excited to win that award this year, and we're here for the next 25 minutes thanking you guys, putting on a little show for you. We have some great songs coming your way, and we're very excited to be here.
Absolutely. And this is CC on the drums.
And Tone on guitar.
Yeah, it's us.
And we are Little Hurricane. This next song is called Haunted Heart. Thank you guys.
Again, we're Little Hurricane, and we're coming out your radio speakers on the FM 94.9 local hour.
We are about to embark on a year-long tour that we're really excited about. We're going all across the United States. Come December, we will be in San Francisco, Portland, Seattle. We're doing South by Southwest in Austin this year, which is very exciting. So we're very excited. We have a new trailer we've been working on for the past couple months, and it's all leading up to a big year-long tour.
Absolutely. You're correct with your notes over there.
It's a good thing I have notes.
Yeah, thanks to Mario for tracking all this, doing the sound.
Black Box Studios has been very accommodating. It's a lot of fun.
So, yeah, we have an album coming out, and here's a few of the songs we put together into a little medley for a preview, I guess. Mostly because some of the songs aren't finished, but here's the medley. Yeah. Hopefully we can edit that out. Here we go. It's hot and the rain comes down. It's been a long All the sun is shining, shining down for free. We get by, but we get by. It's only what we need to survive. We get by, yeah. Now this one. Sunsets west, so I know where I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. I'm going. Whoa!
That was a trio of songs from Little Hurricane. We're really happy to be here. Most importantly, why we'd like to be here tonight is to tell you about our show coming up November 27th. It's our
Bar
last show of 2010, and we're very excited. It's at Bar Pink. And who's playing, Tone?
We got the Brothers Grimm, which is Josh and Jeremiah of the silent comedy, and Miss Erica Davies.
Who's absolutely amazing.
Sings amazing, looks amazing. It'll be a
Just
fun
awesome.
show. Yeah, it's free, by the way.
Free. It's 2 days after Thanksgiving on a Saturday night at Bar Pink.
Great day to unwind after all the family time, and yeah, so,
Drink some drinks and enjoy some Little Hurricane.
yeah, it'll be fun. What song we got coming up now, Cece?
This next song is called Lies.
I hear that rumble coming. right through your lies, yeah. When you're with me, baby, oh, I see right through your lies, yeah. Oh, I'm not talking about last summer, not talking about the fall, no. Yeah, you fooled me once, but now you don't at all. When you're with me, baby, oh, I see right through your eyes, yeah. When you're with me, baby, I see right through your lies, yeah. Oh, I'm not talking about last summer, not talking about the fall. Yeah, you fooled me once, but now you don't. Oh. Hey!
That song was called Lies. And we are Little Hurricane.
It's not a lie. That's the name of that song. And
True story.
yeah, we've got another song left. Thanks for hanging out with us on the radio waves.
On the local 94.9.
Yeah, again, we're Little Hurricane.
Thank
and,
you to Tim Pyles for having us on the show. He's always a delight. So much fun to be around.
Yeah, he's looking at us through the glass over there.
He's judging. Yeah, we have one more song. This song is called Homewrecker. It'll be the title of our album that will be released hopefully around the end of the year / beginning of the year. We're really excited. It's a full-length album. We'll have at least 15 songs on it. Some of the songs we've been playing at shows, some of the songs not so much. So this song is called Homewrecker, and we hope you enjoy it.
He's killing time while I switch guitars. Perfect.
Song goes out to somebody special.
You got your own diamond ring, but it don't mean nothing, no. You got your own diamond ring, but it don't mean nothing, no. You got your own diamond ring, but it don't mean nothing, no, 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 no. You got your diamond ring, but it don't mean nothing. in with Little Hurricane. We'll see you November 27th at Bar Pink for our last show in San Diego for a year. We'll be back, but just for a year. Thanks to Tim Pyles, 94.9.